So I'll put this seed inside of the pot and pour a little bit of hot water. All right. Use a spoon and mix it around just like this into it. All right, so we're gonna show you how to remove the skin from the avocado. Yeah, all right, yeah. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the seeds. All right. Now this water, we're gonna pour with this water. We're not gonna use it. All right, guys, we're not gonna use this water right here. 1 cup of hot water, just like that. Lovely. So we're going to remove the seed, the skin. From the avocado. All right. So this is what you want to do, and remove the skin from it. All right. Excellent. Now we are going to, all right, grate it like this. All right. Turn off the cooker. I'm going to put a piece of a ginger inside of it, so make sure you wash your ginger very carefully. Lovely. That is amazing. Nice one. So this is how it look. beautiful. So I'm going to, with the book, you can get it on Amazon to buy right now. Yeah, that's the way it look. Good. This is the honey I'm using inside of it. All right, organic honey right here. Okay, see, good honey. Excellent. All right, and then get our cup. All right, and we're going to, so we pour it out. All right. Excellent. Very nice. All right, so we put a teaspoon of honey inside of it. Why not? All right. Good honey. You have to put good organic honey. Finish it off with a slice of a lemon into it. Nice. All right. I think this video gonna make part 2 of this and an amazing recipe this evening. As you guys can see, that looking fantastic and an amazing. Now, if it is something you guys like, please leave your comments, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and I will sooner with the next one, because I'm always giving the best ever recipe from Chef Ricardo. All right, guys, bless upon yourself, and definitely I will give you a part 2. Now, you can drink this in the morning, in the evening, before bedtime. It's up to you. All right. Now, if you're not sure, please do your own research on avocado seed tea. This is the part 2 of my avocado seed. So when I buy avocado, I'm always using the seed to make tea. I don't throw away the seeds. Some people throw it away, but me personally, I keep them and I make teas with them. Have a great evening, and I will catch you with the other video. All right? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself, wherever you are. Stay blessed.